Up for sale, 1966 Pontiac GTO. I'm going to walk around and tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 66 GTO, real 242 VIN GTO, finished in blue with black interior, bucket seats and console. California car, California black plate car as well. 49,730 original miles, power steering, power brakes, AC, automatic. Numbers matching 389. Now with tri-power carburetors on top. PHS documented, and it was nut and bolt frame off restored as well. Of course, you know, go around and point out anything I do see, fire it up, and then drive it. And of course, we'll start her in the front. Condition of the bezels, and just the way the bumper looks, it's beautiful. You see the black plate down there, the grille. The bezel here around the grille, beautiful. You see the Pontiac Oakland Club International stuck in there as well. This all looks super nice as well. Look at that. I do notice there's a little, the bumper is just kind of bent back just a little bit there, which is unfortunate because the condition of the bumper itself is like perfect. The paint is gorgeous. It's been beautifully maintained. Just a couple marks on it from, you know, use. Little blemish right there on the hood. Again, all original sheet metal. The floors are original. Trunk pan's original. Quarters are original. It's exactly what you want and what you would expect to be a California car with low miles to begin with. You got the tack in the dash, which in the hood, which does function, as well as the console with the vacuum gauge on it, which is pretty cool. So let's go ahead. We'll pop it open. There we go. And right there. Okay. There you go. 389 numbers matching. Tri-power. 3x2 carbs on top. The air conditioning is there. Trim tag is in place. Power brakes with front disc. Power steering. And again, like I said, frame off restored. Look how gorgeous the control arm is in there. The frame and the floors are beautiful. I mean, even the detail in the engine compartment itself is like show quality. I mean, the beautiful finish, beautiful stampings there on your original metal, and the finish on the paint all the way back. There's another gorgeous stamping right there. Even the fender wall beautifully painted. No, you know, patina on that. All the way there looks great. The underhood, beautiful. Very smooth running. A little later on in the video, we will get the chance to fire it up so you can hear it run. Very nice example under the hood. Moving down the passenger side, driver's side of the car, of course, for whatever reason, a couple little, you know, minor marks just there. That's probably the worst spot on the car, just in that little small section there. Body is extremely straight. It's got, I believe, American Racing. Yeah, American Racing with the cool GTO hub in the middle. I think that's super cool. They're 16-inch with the disc brake behind it. The rear is 16-inch. It's got a nice little stance to it as well. Nice rake. Looks super, super cool. Carrying on though, you see beautiful fitment again, what you get with original metal, all the way up the door to the fender, door to the quarter, the way you want to see it, and the doors open and close, and like, I know I just said close, but shut, solid. It's such a nice solid feeling when you do it. Right on this corner here, you see just a couple little marks there, probably common, as well as you see the beautiful finish all the way in through there. Glass is excellent all the way around. Trims very, very nice. Of course, just toweling marks, common, you know, but very nice. No cracks. And again, one of just over 10,000, I actually didn't mention it, it's a very rare car, one of just over 10,000 coupes for 1966. Top of the car is gorgeous. Look at the nice finish in there. There's no bubbling, there's no chipping, no cracking. Really nice. So let's hop in here for the interior. And I didn't show it. No marks on this door edge there. Let me check this guy out there. No marks on that door edge either. So let's keep going. We'll hop in just in about a second here. Your interior is like new. Door panels, the carpet on the door panels, handles, armrest, excellent. I love the seats. They're a factory style cloth on the inside so it doesn't get too hot, your legs don't stick to it. Vinyl on the outside, nice quality finish to that. Carpet's excellent, carpet mats. You hop in, it's got a tilt column, so they put a little smaller steering wheel on it. And again, look at the beautiful finish in there as you go. Zoom out. There's your factory console with the vacuum gauge. A couple added gauges down below. The dash is excellent. Dash pad, excellent, like new, no cracks on it. Beautiful wood grain behind it as well. Upgraded Eclipse radio. 49,734. That's what the title shows. It came from South Carolina. It was bought from California. So it was lifelong California car until the gentleman in South Carolina. Another great state to own, you know, classic cars. Beautiful finish in there, down into the corner. I don't get the chance to own many GTOs. So I'm rather excited to have this. Headliner's mint, working dome light. Back seat is the same way with the cloth and the vinyl outsides. It didn't look that cool in the pictures, but when I see it in person, it looks extremely nice, and they're very, very comfortable. Very firm, you know, it doesn't seem to be overly satin. One little blemish right there in the paint. Move that, there you go. Blocking it with my body. I want to refocus my camera real quick, give me a second. Sorry, okay. 16-inch again in the back with a GTO hub. Beautiful paint, beautiful quality. And the color's really nice too. And I'm standing here, bent over, noticing something super cool. You see the frame, and there's a beautiful stamping. I don't want to click on it to focus, make it focus, but there's a beautiful stamping out there. Right on the frame, look at that. Oh. I will lay down. I'll show you the underneath real quick. That's gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Wait till you see the pictures on the lift. I gotta refocus my camera one more time. All right, we're ready now. Okay, moving down. Beautiful stainless down there. I didn't even mention that all the way up there. Beautiful condition. Beautiful finish in around there too. In that lip. Right there, I noticed a couple very minor blemishes in the paint. Very hard to see actually. Yeah. Little mark right there on the top of the quarter. Fitment though of the trunk lid. Exactly the way you want to see it. Trunk lid itself. Beautiful condition, even all the way up there. No speakers put into the back deck, that's how you want to see it. Moving on here, for whatever reason, same deal. Bumper, like new. Dented in the back. You see the little ding there. So, you know, chrome replacement doesn't seem to be that expensive. Would just give the car even stronger look, if that makes sense. I mean, the trim, everything is like super, super nice. Sorry. Opening up the trunk. Beautiful finish. Nice weather stripping. Excellent stamp right there. All the way up. Go to this side, same deal. Beautiful stamping all the way up. Oh, wait, it's out now. Finished just like the outside of the car. There you go. GTO thing, 2 first places in Motorama. Pontiac documents. Push button manual antenna, mirror inside tilt. Seat belts, clock, deluxe wheel disc, console, automatic, custom AC, soft ray glass, power brakes, power steering. They've been upgraded, the power brakes. Automatic 389 4-barrel, again now with the tri-power on it. Shows me the ratio for the rear, unless that's been changed, was 3.08. And yeah, I got tons of paperwork, receipts, and if I'm not mentioning it, you hard to see, they're all California. Showing how long it was there, and again, something I noticed, which, two things actually. One, 66 coupe, 10,363, whereas they made 73,700 hard tops. There's your Department of Motor Vehicle California registration card. Date first sold, 1966. There you go. Romero Joseph, or Joseph Garcia Romero, however that goes. And yeah, I'll leave those there. Again, trunk pan rock solid. Let me show you the quarters though. What you can see on the camera, at least, they're not repaired. It does not look to be cut out. Of course, there's the stampings, but it's not like they did a mini and stopped it somewhere. I don't feel anything, which is super, super cool. Carrying on down the side of the car though. We'll close the trunk lid. Keep going. See a couple little chips here from the bumper on that side. Do you even see that? No, you don't see it. Okay. Interesting. Moving up. Show you the rail here, all the way in. Beautiful finish. Okay. Same deal on the bottom. Beautiful stainless molding. Beautiful fitment all the way up. Hop in the car. Like I said, 66 242 VIN GTO, 49,700 original mile California car, which was nut and bolt frame off restored. Just like I said, wait till you see the pictures of the underneath. It's original 389, now with a tri-power on top. Factory AC, power steering, power brakes with front disc, bucket seats and console, tilt. Beautiful car. So we're at the point now where we are going to fire it up and then drive it. Thank you.